Hey guys, hey guys, and here's another video. I really don't know how to start it, but I hope this glitch is unpatched. But you can try it out for yourselves and see. But it's a make it rain glitch. So you go to your settings, you go to date and time, and then you switch it one day, and then you go back to money to make it rain. Go to your vault, and then you would see it would be full. And then you set the date back, and you can keep doing it until you get lots of money in this game. It's really simple. Okay, bye.